If you've been staying up to date with the latest AI news, you know that the CEO of Nvidia, which is Jensen Huang, is talking about how AI can pass human tests within as little as 5 years, which is pretty crazy. Now, as you can see in this article right here, he said this right in Palo Alto, California, when he was having an interview with somebody. He said AI can pass human tests in as little as 5 years. And not too long ago, maybe like 2-3 months ago, he was talking about how everybody is a computer programmer.
You probably recall, over the course of the last 10 years, 15 years, almost everybody who sits on a stage like this would tell you it is vital that your children learn computer science. Everybody should learn how to program. And in fact, it's almost exactly the opposite. It is our job to create computing technology such that nobody has to program. And that the programming language is human. Everybody in the world is now a programmer.
Because with AI, we don't really need people that are actually computer programming. We need other things. You know, computer programming, like coding, isn't that big of a deal anymore. It's not the only game in the tech world anymore. You know, I made a short about this. You can check it out here. It's not your golden ticket to success, basically, is what he's trying to say. Because there's so much more you need to learn and adapt to. And honestly, I would probably listen a little bit to this guy because he is the CEO of Nvidia, which is, you know, it's shot up in value. It's $2 trillion in value right now. This is just a little quick update on AI and what's happening, the CEO of Nvidia. And yeah, if you want me to go more in depth about this, you can comment it down below. Make sure to like, subscribe, join the Discord community, and I'll see you guys in the next video.